Hello YouTube, this is LEGO City Star Wars fan. I'm going to do a review on the LEGO City Monster Truck. You get one minifigure, two fire things, a ramp, and of course the monster truck. Let's take a look at this, the instruction book. This has 72 pages of building, police sets. So the new sets are not on here, so oh well. Yeah, you got two of these fire things. Yeah, not really, nothing too special about them. So, let's take a look at the minifigure. He's got a blue helmet, a very cool face with this mark on, nice torso, back printing, orange pants. So yeah, here you get a ramp, where, yeah, it's hard to, because I'm right now recording this on my phone, so if maybe I could just do this. If you, whee! Pretty cool. Now you can see the monster truck here. And yeah, let's take a look at the truck. The truck is actually a very nice design. Much better. We actually got another one from 2014, but it was smaller than this. This is a very nice, much better design than the. We also got another monster truck, which not just called monster truck, it was a monster truck transporter. I think it was from 2013. But although I never got it, so like my first LEGO monster truck. And the really cool thing about it is that you put it down, you can see it has like the elastics there. You can see. I wonder what it would be like to take them off. Let's check. Let's check them out. Let's check it out and see. Like, take out the elastics. The other one right here. I know. Let's try. Oh no! Yeah, I think it's just the same thing. Yeah. It's just that if you put it on the ground, it'll stay like that. Anyways, you could put right here in the back. Put stuff in there if you want. Like, if you want to put these in, you can feel free. You can open this. You can put your minifigure inside. Very nice orange wheels. Side. Same thing on the other side. Oh. You know what? Maybe I should put the elastic back on the. Just give me a sec. Oh, come on. You're getting in there? Got it. There. Got it. Yeah, this is a very cool monster truck. Here, it's got Crusher on there. This one, I think it'll be nice for police chases. I think maybe LEGO should do a LEGO police monster truck. like monster truck chase. Like one monster truck for a criminal and another monster truck, police monster truck. Yeah, with a criminal that has some like a safe and with money and gold. And the police officer should have a monster truck where you could put a criminal in. Yeah, so it should be called Lego Police Monster Truck Chase. And this would be really cool. Yeah, it'll be really cool. This will be really good. If they could try to crush a police car, you can see it here. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah. So yeah, not really much else to show you. This is a pretty cool little set. So tomorrow the review will be the Mountain River Heist. Like I said, this airplane, this tree right here, truck, and that thing. Thursday will be the hot dog stand, the little set I got for free at the Lego store in Copenhagen. And Friday will be the bus station. So yeah, please rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.